You are listening to weather radio station KIH63, serving the Orlando-Livney area. This is the daily forecast for the Deltona City area.
On Sunday, some showers are expected with strong thunderstorms. On Monday, there may be some hard wind gusts and showers. On Tuesday, very strong thunderstorms with possible tornadoes. This is a special message for the Deltona Beach area. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Palm Beach County in the eastern panhandle of Florida, northeastern Seminole County in the southern Florida area. This is effective until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. If you need more information about this storm, call 1-800-4466-7788/emergency storm info.